I'm Trey Phillips with the EM Group at Moreland Properties. Today, I'm thrilled to present a unique opportunity in one of the most sought-after towers in all of downtown Austin. Located in the southeast corner of the 32nd floor in the Austonian, this residence offers one of the best protected views of Lady Bird Lake. The Austonian has 40,000 square feet of common area amenities. They're exclusive to the residents, and it's the most of any tower in downtown Austin. A top floor gym, a 55th floor common space for entertaining, and a 10th floor with a pool, a dog park, guest suites, and more. For more information or to schedule a private appointment, contact me today.